Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, this is the Renders family. You are highly welcome. So today is just a quick video. We just moved into our new house. I made a video about that one. It's on my normal channel. So we are just kind of trying to fix things, and like I said, we just moved in. We've not done anything. It's our first day. It's not even up to 2 hours we came in. So we are going to start cleaning, which I'm going to take you guys through to that. And apart from that, they really want to eat something, so they needed plates. So we bought some set of plates, which is not that big, but we just want to start with it. Please don't mind the noise. We just want to start with it. So we want to do unboxing, quick unboxing for you to see what is inside this box. Okay? So this is going to be the box. This is what we got. And the kids are going to do the unboxing. They will be the one that will do unboxing, so they are very happy to do the unboxing. So I'm going to video them, let them unbox it and bring the things inside. Let's see what's inside.
If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness, yeah. Now we starting to talk, let's killing all the progress. Really hard to process, you treat me like an object. Baby, we toxic, can we stay on topic? I feel like we lost it, feel like we lost it. Take my love, don't waste it. Even though I don't mind waiting. Latest, my mind racing. What else I have to do, girl, to brace me? Want you, I only want you, yeah. I only want you, I only want you.
So the next thing that we're going to show you guys is in that box what we got to make food. So it's a mystery bag. Yeah, Jesse said that it's a mystery bag. So he is going to open it, or both of them are going to bring it out for you guys to see. All right, guys, let's see what's in the bag. So I saw this pot. I thought it's very unique. You know, it's totally different with the wooden hand. I will show you guys. You know, it's a non-sticky pot, which I'm going to try to know if it's really a non-stick, because not every non-stick is non-stick. I love the hand, I love the ledge. It's plastic around the ledge. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful. And this is the pan. I just picked them one because when I buy them in a box, they are going to be too small, so I have to select. I've forgotten the price. The price is about 32. Let's say I bought 3 of them, and they're going for 67, well, more than 70 pounds. Okay, so this is the pan. I've got this one. I'll get normal pan later. I feel that I need this one more for now. Okay, this one. Yeah, you can open it, and the smaller one of this. Okay, easy boy. So this is it. They're the one doing this is what they want. So I love the pan. Mama, give me. So this is it. It's lovely. And this is the second pot, the smaller one. And one thing I like about this pot, if you want to sieve out water, you can take out the water through here without stressing yourself. Is also there. Okay. And the last one is going to be, yeah. Actually, this spoon I took it off yesterday when we brought them in here, because the little one wanted to take a yogurt, so I had to take it. So let's see. It's 16 pieces and it's 25 years warranty. It's a very sturdy spoon. I love it. It's very lovely. So it's 16 pieces, which is I think 4 for Mama Easy. Yeah. So it's Let me see the fork.
Yeah, four for each side.
So it's 4 each. So we're going to. So we'll be needing this for now. It's not really just to start. Please don't mind the noise. Please don't mind the noise. It's the little one here. So this is the fork. This is how it looks like. And the spoons. So it's a teaspoon, a tablespoon, 4 each. The knife and the fork. So this is it.
If you like what you're watching, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
So subscribe to our channel. You know, like they said, turn on the notification bell to notify you each time we upload a new video. So we are going to leave now. So bye bye and catch up with you guys later. Bye. So I decided to try the pan. Believe me, it's worth it after 3 months, because I'm posting this video like after 3 months of recording this video. It's still intact. So it's a yes for me. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, please subscribe, like, share the video, and we'll catch you up again in our next video. Bye for now. We love you all. Bye.